Hi, I'm Nanz Aalund. We're here at Barn in the jewelry studio today, and we're going to be demonstrating the 4 basic torches that can be used in your home studio. Our recommendations are based on safety and the purchase price of the torch, as well as the functionality of the torch. So these are the 4 ones that we've decided are pretty much the best ones to be using at home. Each one of these torches we're going to use to demonstrate 4 different solders. We're going to be soldering a butt solder, a sweat solder, twisted wire, and then we're going to be demonstrating a post on a plate, which would be the same way you'd put a post on the back of an earring. We recommend that everybody use cadmium-free solders and fluoride-free fluxes. Those are the 2 chemicals that can get up in the air and cause trouble. Right off the tip of that internal blue cone, that's where your hottest part is. Copper and brass here, just get a nice two-tone. We're using silver solder so that we can see it more easily when it flows. With the flux, it sort of bubbled up, and now it's settled down. And I'm just looking for a little bit of a drop, and then we'll see a little bit of the silver coming at those edges. Okay. There we go. And see, by adjusting the oxygen and the fuel, you can really get a wide variety of torch heat. There I have my solder on my post. Get the flux to go clear.